What up? It's your girl Pichehair. My channel is about natural hair. Products, tips, tutorials, techniques, anything to help you along the way in your natural hair journey. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification button down below so that you can be part of the Peach Posh crew and get notified on all my latest videos. Let's get started in this video. Okay, so I'm back. I have my hair sectioned off in two in the front, two in the back. I already have my side part here where I would like it to be. Now, I'm just going to start along in the back. First, I have done a little review on the product, just showing you what the consistency is like. The curl defining cream, a clear product, you know, the lightweight. I will say that this product, when I put it in my hands, it feels smooth and it almost feels somewhat greasy. The other one is pink. I love pink. When I put the gel into my hands, I don't know, it just feels like, I was going to say it seemed like it melted into my hands, but it's not doing that right now. So I'm a little concerned about these products. See what they turn out like on my head. I got this idea from Bianca Renee today. I know she said that she loved this gel. She has a totally different hair texture than mine. I believe she's 3B, 3C, something like that. It's not just about the pattern that I'm concerned about. I'm more concerned about the actual thickness of the strands. So I believe hers is a little bit more thinner. My hair is not only sheer volume wise, but each strand is very thick. So keeping that into consideration, that's something that I always have to take into consideration when I'm picking out my gels. I usually want something a little bit more heavier, something that's going to have a little more weight to it to weigh down the hair. But I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna see what happens. I'm probably take about this much, okay? That may even be too much, but we'll see. Alright, let's see here. I mean, it felt smooth to the touch. It felt like it was moisturizing. Going on to the hair, it feels okay. I mean, I'm trying to look here, see if I see it doing anything. I don't see it doing anything per se. It's not bad, but I don't know. And I have my water bottle on hand just in case, but I feel like I want to try and do what the instructions say. It doesn't say go in soaking wet. And I believe I read online, I'm not sure if it was her page or her channel, but I believe someone said make sure you don't do it soaking wet, like it doesn't come out good. So now we're gonna go in with the gel. Okay. So I'm putting it on. Putting it on. Okay, let's see. Like I said, they didn't say anything about pairing these two together, but I don't like to go in with a gel without any type of product, you know, to coat the hair first, because I need that moisture. And I always get dried out whenever I use any gel. It really doesn't matter. I don't care how much moisture it says it has in it. I have to use some type of product to help with that. I'm gonna try a little bit more. I don't know if it's too much. Go on with my roots, based on my roots, and then kind of smooth it down. So we're doing what we normally do, smoothing it down and raking through. Same process. Now it's not bad. I'm just don't know. Well, let's just keep on with this. Keep on with the keeping on. As my hair dries, I'm gonna have to spread a little bit. I am tempted now. I'm gonna probably concentrate on these ends. I'm trying my best to adhere to what the instructions say. And I'm gonna make sure it's detangled. That last piece was okay, but this piece here, I don't know. Let me see if I can get a little bit of a curl. So am I the only one who takes their products and squirts them on their countertops or table, whatever you have in front of you? Because I feel like sometimes these products, they don't come out. I mean, you're squeezing them. I'm trying to hold my hair at the same time so it don't get mixed in with the section that is not have product applied to it. So let me know if that's you guys too. See, I don't feel like it did anything for these ends, so I'm gonna put some on. Okay. On with the gel. I'm going to my roots. Going down. Now, I feel like this is supposed to be one of the more healthier gels. Don't quote me on exactly how healthy, but a little bit more healthy than most. I mean, it's got a wave pattern there going. So I'm gonna go ahead, fast forward through the rest of this. Same process. It's looking a little puffy, you guys. I don't know. Put this one out the way. I mean, if you look at these two, compare these two sides, as far as volume goes, I don't really see a big difference. I mean, even with the definition, I don't see a big difference. So, we'll see. We'll see. Maybe it'll lock it in just like that. Maybe. You know, I shouldn't go in so pessimistic. I mean, we need to send out positive vibes, positive energy. That's what we need to send out. The gel seems to be holding up. I mean, I feel like I got a lot of gel left. I'm using a lot, but I feel like I got a lot of gel left. It's this little bitty container of leave-in. What is it? So it's 4.2 fluid ounces. That's 4.2 fluid ounces. It's just not enough. I feel like I'm trying to make it work for this hairstyle. Let me do last side, last side, last side, last side. Okay. I'm getting happy because I'm almost done. Ooh. Okay, so I tried to do my edges with this gel. It's not working. Not working. Ooh. It looks like it's gonna be a fail. I'm gonna go ahead and continue with the process. I tried to go in and do some shingling. I'm gonna go in some more and do some more shingling just to see if that will help, but it's not looking too good for the home team. We'll see. I'll be back. Alright, so I'm back. This is what my hair looks like. I would say it is an extra crunch to it. I did not think that it was gonna have a crunch to it. I did not. I thought that it was just going to be just too lightweight, not heavy enough. I think it's an okay look. Don't love it, but I don't hate it either. I just feel like there's a little bit of product buildup here, but I'm gonna tell you, I went ham on that part. I know I did, because I remember trying to somewhat slick this down, which it didn't work out so good, but I'm just gonna shove it behind my ear for right now. I pretty much used all this gel though. I'm gonna tell y'all, like, pretty much, like, all this gel. And the only reason why I say pretty much is because I got a smidget here on the top. Maybe I can go in on some other parts. I'm gonna go in as usual with my favorite Lustrous Pink Glosser. I love this stuff. And I'm just gonna spread all around. It's gonna help with shine and it's gonna help with break some of that cast. I like a cast, don't get me wrong, but it is really like a lot of cast. And I would say it's about 85% dry, if I had to guess. There's still some parts in the inside that aren't, but most importantly, I feel like I've gotten the outside of it dry, and that's the main thing. I'm gonna give you guys a 360. As I always say, the main thing is getting the outside of your hair dry. If you get the outside of your hair dry, it kind of builds up like a shell around your head. And then your roots, they can be a little wet. As long as they're not completely saturated, then your hair shouldn't puff up anymore. That's how my hair usually works. So I really do love that oil sheen. I don't know if you guys can see the difference, but I can definitely tell when I use the oil sheen. And then see these parts here? So I'm looking at these parts and they're like together. So what's gonna end up happening though, the oil sheen is gonna break that up. When I go to sleep at night, I'm gonna spray it probably once more again with the oil sheen, put my satin cap on, and it'll allow the oils to soak through my hair. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a 360. So, this is the Dipppity Do. Dipppity Do actually surprised me because I didn't think it would do this much. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye. Okay, you guys, I just wanted to say this style lasted me for 5 days. I was a skeptic, now I'm a believer. Thank you, Dippity Do, and thank you, Bianca Renee, today.